In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable an option for your clients to pay by card on your online store. So the first step is go to the store section on the left side menu, then go to store settings, click on payments, and there you will see that there is a section payment cards, payment platforms. What you have to do is simply select one of the offered platforms, for example Stripe checkout, and then register with Stripe. So Stripe will give you Stripe secret key. All the platforms will have their own secret information that you will have to add in these fields. Then you can change the name of the payment method that your customers will see. Click on the checkbox send invoices to customer's email if it's necessary. And once you've done that and you have all the information, simply click on save, and that's it. From now on, your customers will be able to pay in your online store simply by card.